For the past 20 years, Google has been the king of internet searching. Many multi-billion-dollar companies tried to compete with Google search, but ultimately they had to pack their bags. Everyone thought that Google has settled its feet in this field and it is now impossible to remove it from the way. But maybe this time a king has come to the field to compete with Google, and this is none other than ChatGPT, AI chatbot. Because of this chatbot, not only Google is not hearing the bell of danger, but there are many other industries that will be completely eliminated by artificial intelligence in the coming time. But what is this ChatGPT? What can common people benefit from it? Why is a company like Google forced to be afraid of it? And what are those industries that are going to be badly affected by this chatbot in the coming time? Welcome again to Mr. Dar Videos. Viewers, we can see that Stephen Hawking's prediction is true. He said before his death that in the coming time artificial intelligence will be so advanced that human intelligence will be a child's play in front of it. In short, he said that robots will dominate humans, and maybe the beginning of this war has now begun. In 1997, Google search engine was launched from this small room for the first time. The biggest reason for Google to dominate the internet for more than 20 years is fast and accurate results. 90% of all searches in the world are done on Google. Searching for movie reviews, recipes, or collecting information for school projects. Everyone has been using only Google. By the way, Gmail, AdWords, and YouTube are other child companies of Google. But about 60% of their income is generated by the search engine. Today, the total cost of Google empire is more than $1.15 trillion. And now Google is feeling so insecure that they had to issue an internal red code. According to a report by Business Insider, Google's management has alerted its employees internally due to the famous ChatGPT AI program. ChatGPT is actually an AI, artificially intelligent chatbot that talks to you just like a human. Whatever question is asked from it, it has the ability to answer it quickly. But even Google does this, so what is so troublesome about it? Replying quickly is not a problem for Google. Rather, the problem is that we have to visit many websites to find information on Google. And by the time we get the right information, we have read many dozen websites and articles. But this chatbot tells all the information in detail during the chat. Whether it is the complicated equations of mathematics or physics, or correcting the wrong code during programming. So that it has the ability to make the whole source code in just 1 second. These are a few features of ChatGPT that we do not find on any other web service. If it is said that ChatGPT is a highly qualified teacher, then it will not be wrong. Let's do a little experiment now. Let's suppose there are two similar cars and both have to cover a distance of 100 kilometers on the same route. Car A runs at a speed of 140 km per hour and gets a fuel average of 12 km per liter. And on the other hand, there is a car that runs at a speed of 90 km per hour and gets a fuel average of 15 km per liter. Now we know that the fast-running car, that is, car A, will consume more fuel. But now let's ask the same question to Google and Chatbot and see who can give the right and easy answer. We get some results like this on Google search, which is obviously not the exact answer to our question. There will definitely be such solutions on these websites, but this will not be the answer to our exact question. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Here, the AI chatbot has calculated by taking the names of car A and car B, keeping in mind our situation, that which car will burn how many liters of fuel. Now this was a very simple question. ChatGPT has also passed the US medical licensing exam, bar exam, and MBA paper. Seeing all these extraordinary capabilities, ChatGPT attracted the attention of the whole world overnight. In just 2 months' time frame, 100 million users started using this service. That is, if we make a comparison, the users that ChatGPT had created in just 2 months, TikTok took 9 months to create, Instagram took 30 months, Uber and Google Translate took more than 70 months. As we learned earlier, about 60% of Google's revenue is dependent on the search engine. And the popularity of ChatGPT has become a threat to Google search. But there is one more thing that is constantly bothering Google. And that is the company that makes ChatGPT. Yes, OpenAI has made it, but Microsoft is behind OpenAI. The same Microsoft whose own search engine is present in the name of Bing. In 2019, Microsoft had invested $1 billion in OpenAI. And since then, these two companies have been working together on other projects as well. In which there is also a project that can generate your favorite image with the help of an AI bot. This project has been named DALL 2. After the success of ChatGPT and DALL, Microsoft has announced that it is going to integrate these services in its Bing search engine. And this is no less than a bad dream for Google. We all know that the good service that will be given in the IT world, users who are just a click away, they easily shift. It's not that old when Google's social media platform Orkut was replaced by Facebook. Similarly, if Google wants to save its search engine business model, they will have to do something soon. In December 2022, Google issued Code Red. And just a month and a half after that, Google has announced that they have started working on an AI bot called Bard to compete with ChatGPT. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai has indicated in a blog post that his AI bot is going to be smarter than ChatGPT. That is, both AI bots are going to come close to each other. Which is nothing but the beginning of a big AI war. AI bots don't just deliver the information fed to us, but they also have the ability to think in a way. Just as human intelligence improves with time and experience, so does the intelligence of these bots. For now, they don't have feelings, but it is possible that in the coming time, they may develop feelings, which may be very dangerous for the world. ChatGPT and AI chatbots, where there are many benefits for humans, there are also countless disadvantages. The biggest loss in these will also be for us humans, in which writers, programmers, and the call center industry are involved. First of all, the human brain, which is no longer used due to social media and mobile phones, is now going to feel even more dull. ChatGPT can create any programming code in just a few seconds. Not only that, but it can also make more changes to the same programming code and remove errors from any existing code. In addition, content writers, bloggers, and research papers writers may have to switch their jobs in the coming time. Because the work that was done in days and months, is now done in just a few seconds. In order to replace the call center agents, such AI bots have been working for a long time. All in all, due to artificial intelligence, where information access will be very easy, millions of people in the world will also become jobless. I hope you will like and share this video. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next video.